Okay, here's my foster kittens. It's their first time on this cat condo, and I think they're really going to dig it. They love the little toys. They were playing with the little mouse. Lots of places to sleep. It's really tall, which is awesome. They love to be up high. This guy's a scaredy cat. These are feral kittens that I'm fostering. And so she's really scared. So she is slowly getting used to, ooh, bye-bye. Getting used to the cat tree. I think by this evening they're going to be, this one is already loving it. This kitten's about 12 weeks or so. And that's a smaller bed right there. There's a bigger one right up there. She's so fat, she can't even get up at the top. What are you eating? Probably a piece of fuzz. That's my big kitten. She's about 6 months old. She likes it too. So, yeah, this is, so about this product, it took me probably maybe an hour to assemble it. It was very well packaged and super easy to put together. Had some music going in the background. Had everything, you know, put out nicely so I could figure out all the steps. The instructions were fabulous. Absolutely spot on. Great job putting the instructions out. Each page was very well detailed. So you just got to look at the page. They make it so easy. The most important thing is that not just that it was easy to put together, and I think everything is well made. But it was packaged really, really nicely in the box. Even just taking out, all the pieces were together, you know, like pieces were together. And anyway, most important is that the kittens like it. And you can see that this is the first time this kitten down here is playing with the little mouse that it comes with. So, yeah, you like that, huh? That one is still learning to climb, believe it or not. She's not a very good climber. She's coming up there. They like the little balls on there. This is awesome for, I guess, both younger and older cats, but they would work for both. I think I paid like $100 for it, 108 bucks, and I'm so happy with this. It's just got all these different cool, you know, the beds are nice and comfy, and it's got good rails on it, which you definitely want good rails. You don't want to buy a cat tree that doesn't have rails. That's the stupidest thing in the world. Of course, this is a platform. It's not a bed. But sometimes cats don't like the rails. I mean, that's very rare, I would say. I've had a lot of cats. I've fostered a lot of cats. So they love these little hammock things too. These things are awesome. And they don't hang a lot in these boxes too much, you know, hidey holes, but she's in there right now, which is cool. I'm very glad. She's playing with a piece of cloth right there. Yeah, so look at them. They're super excited about this new cat tree. I'm absolutely thrilled. Easy to put together, like I said, great packaging, good quality, a couple little extra pieces as far as, you know, nuts and bolts. Nothing confusing about this at all. Just, oh, and so now the kitten this is the back brace, and this is kind of in a bad place, I think, because, for me, because I have a long window, and the back brace needs to be attached. A wall brace needs to be attached to a wall. So I'm probably going to move that. I'm going to see if I can unscrew that in the back and maybe put it down below somewhere, because because I have 2 cats right now, but sometimes I'm fostering up to 4 or 5, and I don't want it to tip over. And the chances of it tipping are pretty slim, but there's still a chance. So look, she's now in the chewing on the little rope piece, which is a play toy that comes with it that you screw up there, and she really likes it. 4 stars. This is an awesome product. Thank you.
me in the game a little longer? Have some fun. If there's opportunity out there, I'm sure see what I can do. Alright. Whenever I can.
Yeah. I always kind of define winning in a lot of my life. I was saying, like, I'm going to be number one. If I take JT in the finals with me, he's going to beat me. I know it's crazy, but for me, winning in this game is about getting to an outcome at the end of the game, which is going to satisfy me. If he wins it, that's like me winning this game. How do I get him to the finals? I don't know. This is the next step I need to wrap my head around. Having fun.
I'm damn sure that's for it, man. I stayed up
All night, I
for you here.
To see you. I was worried about you.
Well, I just won't do it.
If June is all you need. You don't need me for it.
He already said no.
Seriously? You said no? I wouldn't do it either. And besides, I don't have the time. My guys need help with their thesis.
I need your help too.
Come on, don't make me say no twice. By the way, did you go see June today? Did you buy?
Here's the new cat tree. And she loves it. She has been on every level. I didn't even have it put together before she was playing on it. It's a good buy. It's good.
Did it right today.
I think somebody's enjoying their new cat tree.